Yo, can I be real for a second? Most skincare products don't do shit. Like seriously, bro, they just sit on your face, smell nice, and do absolutely nothing. But there are a few, just a handful, that actually work. And when you use them right, I'm talking consistently, your skin changes. Not a little bit. People will actually notice. You look better in photos, girls ask you what you're doing, and even strangers start treating you different. I've researched and probably personally tried hundreds of products, and these are the only 5 I'd tell you to bother with at all. Step 1 is the cleanser, and it is a non-negotiable. You have to wash your face. Not with body wash, not with hand soap. A legit cleanser makes your skin feel fresh, helps with breakouts, and makes everything else work better. Use it once in the morning, once at night. I like CeraVe, the hydrating one if your face gets dry, the foaming one if you get oily or breakout prone. You'll notice a difference in a week once you start using a face wash. You think moisturizer is optional? I'm sorry bro, dry skin makes you look tired, older, and honestly just kinda crusty. Use a moisturizer every day after you wash your face. I'm telling you, this makes an immediate impact. If you want cheap and effective, use CeraVe again. This is kind of a go-to because they test all their products so much that they're actually worth it. And they're cheap, they're worth the money. If you want something that smells clean and feels good, Bulldog is good, but it is a little more expensive. That's all you need, 2 seconds in the morning and 2 seconds in the night and your skin looks 10 times better already. I used to think sunscreen was only for the beach. Yeah, it turns out that was dumb. The thing that produces literal nuclear level energy, probably not great to be hitting your skin unprotected. The sun wrecks your skin over time. Redness, dullness, wrinkles, all of the stuff you do not want. Even if you're inside a lot, you still get hit by UV. So just make a sunscreen a part of your routine. Use a face sunscreen, not the greasy body kind. I use the CeraVe AM SPF. It's light and doesn't leave a white cast, but really any face sunscreen will work. If you want to take it to the next level and upgrade your skin instantly, you can try using a tinted sunscreen. Girls have been using this as a cheat code forever. And no, it is not makeup. It doesn't cover anything. It just makes your skin tone look smoother, more even, and healthier. Like you actually get 8 hours of sleep and drink water, which I know you do not. You still get full SPF protection, but now your skin actually looks good too. My go-tos for a tinted SPF are again CeraVe and Roche-Posay. I usually don't recommend a bunch of extra skincare products because most of them are just companies trying to sell you chemicals that you should not be putting on your face. But I find the ones that actually work usually just help deliver your skin vitamins or natural functions. Think about it like this. It's like planting a seed in your garden. You don't see the change right away, but if you keep watering it, eventually you get this solid, healthy plant that looks like it gets taken care of. Basically the opposite of every plant I've ever owned. That's what vitamin C does for your skin. It quietly works beneath the surface, fading old scars and brightening your tone. You won't notice it on day 1 or even week 1, but after a month or 2, sometimes even longer, people start asking if you've been doing something different. I use La Roche-Posay's vitamin C serum. I love it, and there's also a Korean brand that I will not even begin to try and pronounce. I'll link it below though. Use it every morning and night under your moisturizer or sunscreen and give it time. And trust me on this one bro, it helps. Product 5 is a milk toner. I've talked about this product before because it's kind of my little secret. It's not hyped up by everybody on TikTok. I low-key want to gatekeep it, but oh well. Milk toner is a product that gives you what's called glass skin. Yes, they love this one in Korea. It's not heavy or greasy, doesn't feel sticky, just smooths out your skin's texture and adds a subtle glow that people can't quite put their finger on. But it's there. Use it morning and night after cleansing and you'll notice how your skin catches the light differently. It's the final product that turns a good routine into a good look. Alright, here's what I want you to do tonight. After you wash your face and do the routine, just chill in front of the mirror for a second. Look at your face, not to pick it apart, not to judge it, but just take it in. Because that's your starting point. This is the last time you're ever going to look like that. Because you're going to stay consistent with just these 5 products and your face will change. I promise. It's not magic, it's just routine and it works. Here's the truth. You're one routine away from becoming the most attractive version of yourself. So why not? This isn't just about skincare, it's about leveling up every part of your life. Looking better makes you feel better. Feeling better makes you act different. Confidence hits different when you know you look good. Trust me bro, it's worth it. And once people start noticing, everything changes. Life is easy for attractive people. But don't do this alone. I'm building a channel to help you. We're talking glow up, style, fitness, mindset, everything to become him. It takes a lot more than just skin. All you have to do is lock in and subscribe right now. And once you get good skin, you can start pulling off things like a buzz cut. I made a video that breaks down exactly how to know if a buzz cut will look good on your face. It's linked right after this. So check it out. I'll catch you in the next one.